My name is Amy Dierkse. I'm a Texas horse owner. I've had the same equine dentist for over 20 years, and I would like the right to choose who works on my horses.
I'm Clark Neily with the Institute for Justice. Today we're going to look at 3 myths that have been floating around Texas about horse teeth floating. Just like shoeing hoofs or docking a tail, horse teeth floating is a normal animal husbandry practice that can be done by anyone. Unlike humans, horses' teeth grow throughout their lifetimes and have to be filed or floated from time to time in order to maintain proper length and alignment. Horse teeth floating is simply the process of filing down a horse's teeth to remove sharp enamel points that interfere with the horse's ability to chew. Myth number 1. There is a horse teeth floating crisis in Texas. The Texas Veterinary Medical Association has been spreading a rumor that there's a teeth floating crisis in Texas and that horse teeth floaters need to be supervised by veterinarians in order to prevent some kind of a public health crisis. But that simply isn't true. Horse teeth floaters have been working in Texas for more than a century. And just like farriers, teeth floaters work under the supervision of horse owners, not veterinarians. What do actual horse owners in Texas think about this?
My name is Susan Lowry, and I've owned miniature horses for more than 20 years. I've always used equine dental practitioners, and miniature horses have special needs, and I should be allowed to choose who works on my horse.
We own a ranch in Texas. We've used the same floater since 1992, and we want the right to choose who works on our horses.
I'm Terry. I'm the owner of Box T Performance Horses, and I've been an equine professional for 30 plus years, and I've used equine dental practitioners the entire time, and I want the right to choose what's best for my horses and their owners.
Myth number 2. There's a crisis with horse teeth floaters using sedatives in Texas. When the veterinary cartel really wants to scare people, they bring up sedatives and suggest that there's some kind of a sedative crisis on farms and ranches in Texas. Unlike humans, sedatives for animals are routinely prescribed and dispensed by veterinarians directly to the animal's owner. Indeed, veterinarians are the only place you can get sedatives for animals in Texas. Sedatives are not necessary for horse teeth floating, and when they are used, they're used to calm the horse down, not put it under. Who can legally sedate a horse in Texas under current law? A veterinarian, the horse's owner, or any full-time employee of the owner? Floaters aren't asking for the right to sedate horses. There is no sedation crisis in Texas, and this fight isn't about sedatives. The third myth being spread by the veterinary cartel is that power tools, sometimes used to float horses' teeth, are scary and dangerous. So what do power floating tools look like, and what do they do? This is a power floating tool. How dangerous is it? The truth is, power floating instruments are some of the safest power tools you'll find on any farm and ranch. The idea that their use represents some kind of a public health crisis is absurd. The Texas Veterinary Cartel has advanced 3 myths about horse teeth floating, none of which have any basis in fact, and all of which are designed to promote the cartel's anti-competitive campaign against Texas horse teeth floaters. The regulation proposed by the Texas Veterinary Cartel would destroy jobs and drive up prices, exactly what Texas doesn't need.